Hello students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are going to see about 8th standard Maths, chapter 6, statistics, exercise 6.1. Such an interesting sum. We are going to draw the pie chart also, and you learn how to draw the pie chart. Okay. And one more thing, what is given here in this question? Monthly expenditure of Kumaran's family is given below. Draw a pie chart. So Kumaran's family's expenditures and all is given here. We are going to draw the pie chart and we are going to make a table also. See here first. What and all given here? Particulars: food, education, rent, transport, miscellaneous. Expenses in percentage it is given there. So 50%, 20%, 15%, 5%, 10%. Okay. And what is given? 3 more questions also given here. First question, find the amount spent for education. If Kumaran spends ₹6,000 for rent. What is the second question? What is the total salary of Kumaran? Third question, how much did he spend more for food than education? Now we are going to find. Okay, let me do the Kumaran's family sums. Okay, how much they are expending, the expense and the spending for the expenses. Okay, we can easily find out. See here the expenditures. See here first we are going to what and all given here in the question. The table column is given in the horizontal, but we are going to make in the answer in the vertical. Okay, in the vertical position. See here particulars, expenses and central angle we are going to find out. For particulars, food here 50%, and education 20%, rent 15%, transport 5%, miscellaneous 10%. Then for that you are going to find out the total first. How much you are getting here? 100%, isn't it? Now, how we are going to find out the central angle? Let's we see now. Here 50 by 100 into 360. So 10, 10 will get cancelled, 10, 10 will get cancelled. 5 6 are 30, for that we are putting 0, and 5 3 are 15, 15 plus 3 will get 180, so 18. So 180 degree you are getting for this. And next one, education. How much is given there? 20%. So 20 by 100 into 360 degree. Now 10, 10 will get cancelled. Last 0. And this 0 will get cancelled. Now multiply 2 into 36. So 6 2s are 12. Balance 1, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 how much? 7. So 72 you are getting. Now for rent, how much they say, how much is spent? 15%. So you are going to write now 15 by 100 into 360 degree. Now you get 0 will get cancelled. In 5 table how many times this will go? 5 table 2 times will go, and 5 table 3 times will go, isn't it? Or in 2 table that 36 no, 1 2s are 2, balance 1 it will become 16. In 2 table 16 how many times it will go? 8 times, isn't it? Then you will get 18 3s are how much? 54. So you are getting 54 degree. And next one for transport, how much we spend? 5%. So 5 by 100 into 360 degree. So last 0 will get cancelled. In this 5 table, how many times this will go? 2 times. In this 2 table, how many times it will go? 1 2s are 2, balance 1 16. Then you in 2 table, how many times? 16 18, isn't it? So you will get 2 8s are 16, so you will get 18 degree here. Is it clear? And then we are going to find out the miscellaneous. How much is given here? 10% for miscellaneous. So 10 by 100 into 360 degree. Then you will get last 0 will get cancelled, and this 0 will get cancelled. You will get 36 degree. Now for this also you are going to find out, because you can itself check yourself. You can itself verify easily yourself. If a sum what and all you did are correct or wrong. How? Shall we find out now? See, add all the 6 together. You will get 8 plus 2, 10, 6 plus 4, 10, you will get 20, balance 2, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 17, 18, then 18 plus 8, balance 2, you will get here 2 plus 1, 3. So how much you are getting? 360 degree. So if you are getting the total value, that is 360 degree, if you are getting, then your answer is correct. What and all you make a table is correct. Okay, now shall we going to prepare a pie chart for that? Such an interesting one. Okay. Okay, shall we do the pie chart now? Such an interesting one, the drawing pie chart. Many of them are preparing in the just rough diagram, but we must know, we must learn how to draw the diagram also. Okay, children. Now, first you have to take this compass. Already I told you, while using the compass, what you are going to do? You have to check whether this nail point and the pencil point. But yeah, I am having the chalk piece. So these 2 points should be equal. Okay? Yes. Now I am going to mark the point first, the center point. You can take your convenient radius. So convenient radius means don't take such a big and all. We can use bangle also, small size bangle. You can take medium size. Okay. Any convenient radius you can take like this and draw the circle. Okay, after drawing the circle, we are going to find out the angle. Yes. Before that, you can draw this, or we need, for drawing the angle, we need the base, isn't it? So for that, we are going to join these two. That is nothing but the radius. Okay, take the base line like that. And now you are going to take protractor, isn't it? See how I am using, listen carefully. See the midpoint you are going to keep, and here the black line should be on this line itself. First one, how much degree is given there? 180 degree for foot, isn't it? So where is that 180 degree? This straight line itself, isn't it? So draw this straight line. So this is a 180 degree. Okay. This portion is for foot. And next one, education, how much it is given there? 72 degree. So where you stop, there only you are going to continue. So it is easy for you to rotate in the left hand direction. You can use the right hand also, right hand direction also you can use. But it is easy to rotate like this. Okay. So you can use here 180 degree. How much? 72 degree I am going to take now. See how I am going to take this. Like this. Yes. From this opposite side, 0 to 70, 72. It is in between 70 and 80, isn't it? So 72 degree. Join these two. Suppose the point is going out, means don't get afraid. Please join in that position. See here, we should be drawn in the circle itself. This is enough. No need to join till the point. Okay. Yes. So this is how much? 72 degree. And next one, how much is given there? 54. So where we stop? Here only. No. From there you are going to take. See, keep it, place it on that line. 54 degree. So here it is come in between 50 and 60. So 54. So join this point and the middle point. Join till the circle is enough. Okay. Next, how much it is? 54 degree. Next one, 18 degree. So here we stop. So we are going to turn like this. 18 degrees where point is? It is lies between 10 and 20. So you will get 18 is here. So you will get join these two. This point. Till the point no need to join. Keep it on the point itself. Then it should become on the circle itself. That's the line. Okay. Now you are getting here 18 degree. 18 degree. And next remaining should be how much? 36 degrees. Isn't it? See, shall we find out that also? Here it is given that. So 36 degree. So it's coming here. So 36 degree. Okay, children. I think you know so interestedly you can draw this diagram. You can enjoy yourself by drawing the diagram itself. So you have to rotate properly. See here, keep it here, and then you have to bring it for this 180 degree. That's why you are bringing here 72, then 54, and then this line 80, and then here 36. Here you have to place, and then you are going to rotate like this. You will get the 360 degree. It should be covered like that. Okay, I think you enjoyed these steps by doing this pie chart. But whatever it is given here, first you write. What is given here? Food. For that you are going to write food, 180 degree. And for education, how much they spend? This one, education, 72 degree. And here, rent, 54. Next one, transport. And here this portion, miscellaneous. Okay. Now you can give the colors for that, or you can cut any pictures. If you know drawing well, you can draw that food items like that. And education means you can draw the school or books or whatever. And here rent means you can keep the house also, isn't it? And for that transport, you can speak any bus car, any vehicles, and then you can miscellaneous means whatever it may be. Okay, so you can give the colors for that. Okay, you can do this activity also like pie chart. Okay, students, and we are going to find out the answer for the 3 questions given in that question, isn't it? For that also we are going to find out the answer. Shall we find now? Okay, students, we are going to find the first question. See, for first question answer, find the amount spent for education if Kumaran spent rupees 6,000 for rent. How much is given? Rent equal to rupees 6,000. Okay, how much is given the percentage? 15%. So 15% of total expenditure. Total expenditure equal to 6,000. Now 15 by 100 into total expenditure equal to how much? 6,000. But we need total expenditure. So total expenditure equal to 6,000 into 100 by 15. Okay, this when it will come after the equal to sign. Numerator will come in the denominator. Denominator will go in the numerator, isn't it? Now, in 15 table, how many times? This one 4 times, and these 2 0 also put it there. Then you will get rupees how much? 40,000. So this is the total expenditure. Now, what you are going to find out? Spend for education. So spend for education. Spend for education equal to how much more is this? 20% is given. So 20 by 100 into how much here? Total 40,000. So 20 will get cancelled. Now multiplying how much will you get? Last 2 zeros put it as it is. 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8. So how much you are getting? Rupees 8,000. What is the second question? What it is given there for second question? They are asking total salary, isn't it? Total salary of Kumaran. So total salary equal to how much? Total salary of Kumaran. Second question. You will get rupees. How much we got? 40,000. That is his total salary. Now the third question we are going to find out now. Okay. Okay, students, now we are going to see about the third question. How much did he spend more for food than education? Okay, now amount spent for food. You are going to find out first. Okay, how much is given there? 50%. So 50 by 100 into 40,000 is the total salary. 2 0 2 0 will get cancelled. These 2 zeros as it is input, then you will get here also here. These 2 0 4 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20. So how much you are getting here? Rupees 20,000. Now we are going to find out what we are going to find out now. Spend more for food than education. Okay, so spend more for food than education we are going to find out. Okay, already we found that amount spent for food. How much we are getting? 20,000. Now amount spent for food than education. Isn't it? Now, how much is given here? 20,000. So 20,000 minus, for education how much we got? 8,000. So minus 8,000 you will get, so 12,000 rupees. Okay, like that we can find. Not only for this Kumaran family, we can find out for our family budget also. We can prepare how much we are spending, all these things using this pie chart. Not only for business people, we can also use for our family purpose also. Okay students, I think you really enjoy this sums and all, isn't it? Thank you.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.